So welcome everyone in this grammar class right now. We are going to have an awesome session today. Today, we are going to talk about a very important chapter. Why I'm telling you important? I'm telling you that also. Uh, you know, whatever you are going to learn today, when I learned it for the first time, and I did not learn in, school, college. I learned from a person who is going to take your training on Friday. Yes, Mr. KK Mandal sir. I learned it from KK Mandal sir. And when I learned it, I found myself so confident because this lesson today, whatever you are going to learn, this will help you to make your English sentence correct. If you are facing this problem, there are so many people when they speak in English, they feel that my sentence is correct or not. I think today's class will give you the signal that how to understand that my English sentence is right or wrong. So after today, whenever you will speak or write in English, you will never be confused that your sentence is wrong or right. So guys, I believe it is important for you also. I just want to know from you, is it important for you to know that whether your English is right or not? Is it important? If your answer is yes, please write down in the chat box that yes, it is important for you. Because I really want to know how much important it is to know that yes, my English sentence is right or wrong. Because many people, they don't know that my sentence is wrong or right. And sometimes they speak wrong English and they feel confused. So today, after today, your confusion will be no more. You will be super confident that yes, my English sentence is 100% right. Okay, thank you very much for your answer. That tells me that yes, it is very important for me. So guys, today we are going to learn an awesome topic which will change your game. Which will change your game. And the topic name is verb partnership. Verb partnership. Anyways, this session is being recorded. You may write, you may not write. You will be getting the link. So you will be getting all the lessons. So you're not going to miss anything. So, but I believe you should focus. And if you're writing, then write it even without seeing your copy, so that you should always keep your eyes on the screen, because this is something most important lesson till now. But there's only one thing. Whatever I'll tell you today, you will not understand anything. Whatever I'm going to teach today, you're not going to understand anything if your last day grammar lesson is not clear. So last day you talked about verb family, mother form, present one, present two, past, present participle, past participle, infinite form. So if that chapter is not clear, then this chapter, you are not going to understand anything. You are going to face a lot of problems. So if you have not attended yesterday's class, you can still do this class, but try to go back. You try to ask for the link. I'll be giving you the link of the yesterday class. You go through the class, because if verb family is not clear to you, then you are going to miss many things, today. So I think you all are mentally ready, guys. Okay, let's begin. Partnership. partnership. I really want to know from you guys that what is partnership? What do you think? What is partnership? I will ask Tanushri. Tanushri, what do you think? What is partnership according to you?
Partnership means me and another one, someone, anyone. We are jointly anything we will do.
Okay, okay, very good idea. So according to Tanushri, partnership is a relationship. Partnership is a relationship. Partnership is a trust. Partnership needs belief. Partnership is very important. And what happens when there is some problem in the partnership? The relationship is broken, right? So partnership is very, very important. In English also, partnership is very, very important. Whenever you speak any sentence, whenever you speak any, whenever you write or speak any sentence, there are so many verbs. Suppose we say, I am going to market. How many verbs are there? Two. Am going. I am going to market. Two verbs. So two verb, am and going. So there's a relationship between am and going. But this sentence is right. This sentence is right. I think some people are not getting my voice. Okay. From our childhood, we know that this sentence is right. I am going to market. But the question is why this sentence is right. Many people, they will not be able to answer why it is right. See, we have been speaking this. I am going to market. I am eating rice. But my question is, it is right and it is right sentence. My question, it is not that whether it is right or not. My question is, why do you say that this is right? Then you will say, sir, I know it is right. And I'll say, Arey, that I also know that you know that this is right, but why? Why it is right and why you are so confident that this sentence is right? Then you will say, sir, after am, is, it is always ing form. So, today we are going to learn that why a sentence is right or why the sentence is wrong. Okay, I am going, I am coming. These are easy sentences. We know this sentence is right, but maybe when we speak more long sentences, if we know this verb partnership, I think this will really help you to understand that whether your sentence is right or not. So verb partnership is the partnership between one verb to another verb. The partnership between one verb to another verb. If the partnership is right, then sentence will be right. If partnership is wrong, then the sentence is wrong. See, I'll show you the slide later, but first of all, I'm going to tell you that why it is important and why are we learning this. Okay, I'm going to write a sentence, okay? And I want you to write this sentence. She will, I'm writing in the chat box. You can write it from there. She will has reached, she will have reached at home. She will has reached at home. She will has reached at home. Is this sentence, what do you think? It is right or wrong? I want your answer in the chat box. She will has reached at home. Wrong? Okay, wrong. Okay. Then what will be the right sentence? If you say it is wrong sentence, then what will be the right sentence? Tell me. I want to see the right sentence. You correct the sentence. If you feel this sentence is wrong, then you have to tell me the right sentence. Azam Khan says it will be have. Why Azam? Why will be have? Because there is a she, and after she we always write has. Why you are saying it will be have? Whenever we say he, she, we always write has. We never say have. You want to say Azam? Yeah, Azam, I'm unmuting you. I think that will be better. Why? Yeah, Azam.
See, sir, because in the past perfect, in the past perfect continuous tense or the past perfect tense, there is a have, not has in the perfect
Past
tense.
perfect. Past perfect.
So no, sorry,
it
sorry,
is-
future, sir, future.
Okay, future perfect.
Yes, sir. So there is always a have, not has. There is no place of has in future perfect tense. So I presume that is whenever there is a will have, there is a third form of verb. I would say the past participle. So this is a combination of she subject and the will or shall, whatever it is. And right now in this case is will and have. Have is the see is the suitable form of helping verb. So I would say that this is a C will have. Otherwise, normally we see that there is a has have whenever there is a present tense.
Okay, okay. See, okay, fine. I'm taking your answer right now. I want everyone to write this sentence in your copy. Okay, because we are going to prove it. I'm not going to tell you what happens, what doesn't happen. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to prove you that why this sentence is correct or why this sentence is not correct, whatever it is. Okay, now I'm going to write another sentence and you have to tell me it is wrong or right. And same, whatever the sentence I'm writing, you should write in your copy also. Because when you write in your copy, then you will always understand. I got many of your answer like Jaya Jaiswal, but still, I'm not so convinced with your answer. Okay, and because you are just answering as per your experience, but I want your answer as per your knowledge. See, there is a difference between knowledge and experience. Of course, experience is very important, but knowledge is more important. I have an experience key. This sentence is right. Arey, experience se nahi hoga. You should know why this sentence is right. Okay, fine. I'm giving you one more sentence. Okay, I have written a sentence. Did you felt bad? Did you felt bad? Is this sentence is right or wrong? What do you think? Did you felt bad? Tanmay says it is correct. Very good. Haropriya Das said it is wrong. Imagine one person is saying yes, one person is saying wrong. But after today's class, you will know that why I am right or why I am wrong, and everybody will be on the same track. Sujit also says it is wrong. ये तो भाई मजाक हो गया कोई Lakshmi is saying right, Bharti is saying wrong, Ram is saying correct, Tanushree is saying wrong. So it's just right, wrong, we are going left, right kind of thing. Rajiv is saying wrong. Azam Khan is saying correct is did come with first form. Acha, what is this first form? I don't know. First form means? I just want to know, Azam Khan, I just want to again unmute you. What is first form?
So first form is the mother form, sir.
First form is mother form.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you mentioned I just forgot the sentence. What was the sentence, sir?
Did did you felt bad? Did you felt bad? Did you
Sir,
felt
see,
bad?
whenever there is a did, it's always come the first form of the verb, sir. Mother form of the verb, not the second or third form. Past or past participle.
Okay, I'm taking your answer, but there are some people they are saying it is right. It is
I never
wrong.
saw. There is a second form or third form of the verb with the did, sir.
So your answer, because you have never seen, that's the reason you are saying it is right, wrong.
So
No, we are
whenever
just
I,
discussing. We are discussing. Don't mind,
yeah.
because we are
No, no,
discussing.
sir.
Because
It's okay. It's okay,
see,
sir. I understand, sir.
it's not. See, everyone, listen. It's not about you are right or I am right. This game is not about you are right or I am
This,
right. This game is
yes, sir.
about what is right.
Sir, this is, as you said, sir. This is my personal experience as well as knowledge that.
Absolutely, absolutely. You are right, and you have right that you are right or you are wrong. You should know that. So that's what I'm saying. It's not about कि कौन सही है. हम लोग यहाँ पे will find out what is right. Okay, if I'm right, then you have to change. If you are right, then I have to change. We have to follow one process. So today you are going to learn a process which will tell you that you speak right English or you speak wrong English. So today's session is the most important session. इसीलिए ये session normally मैं ही लेता हूँ. ऐसा नहीं कि दूसरे trainer नहीं ले पाएंगे. I feel that I should take this responsibility because this chapter changed my life. इसीलिए मेरे साथ इस chapter का बहुत बड़ा एक relation है. This chapter, yes, this chapter changed my life. So that's the reason I'm totally so much close to this chapter, and I want that you should also, if you face this same problem. Let's go. Ab maza aayega, when you will know what really happens. Okay, now guys, अभी हम लोग देखेंगे कि किसके साथ किसका पार्टनरशिप हो सकता है, किसके बगल में कौन बैठ सकता है, राइट? आपके बगल में कौन बैठ सकता है? ऑफ कोर्स आपकी वाइफ या आपके हस्बैंड बैठ सकता है, या आपके साथ अगर आपकी शादी नहीं हुई तो आपका बॉयफ्रेंड या गर्लफ्रेंड बैठ सकता है. अगर आप बहुत छोटे हो तो आपका आपका कोई पार्टनर, आपका दोस्त बैठ सकता है. लेकिन दोस्त के जगह अगर कोई और बैठा होगा तो कैसा होगा? थिंक अबाउट इट. ज्यादा खुश भी मत होइए, ज्यादा दुख भी मत होइए. ओके, लेट्स गो अहेड. The first partnership is with be verb. The partner of be verb will always be present participle. Always remember this. The partner of be verb will always be present participle. इसका मतलब है कि कोई भी सेंटेंस में अगर be verb आता है, be verb, so next partner verb will be present participle. Present participle मतलब ing form. वर्ब फैमिली अगर याद है तो प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल आपको याद होना चाहिए. प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल मींस ing forms. That is present participle. So if there is a be verb, अगर कोई सेंटेंस में be verb हो, अच्छा be verb हो मतलब क्या हो सकता है? be verb मतलब is, am, are, ये भी be verb है. was, were, ये भी be verb है. So is, am, are, was, were, be, being, to be, ये जितने भी be verb के verbs हैं, अगर इनके बाद you have to put any other verb, that other verb has to be present participle. अगर present participle नहीं होगा, then the sentence will be wrong. If present participle doesn't sit after be verb, then the sentence will be wrong. This is the first partnership. Let's see the second partnership. The second partnership is have. Whenever there is a have verb, I'll come to you. Don't worry. I'll come to everyone. If you have question, I will give you time. पहले ये लिख लो. मैं इसको फिर example में समझाऊंगा. You will understand more. Whenever there is a have verb, have मतलब has, have, had, whatever the have verb you know. If you get any have verb, the next verb should be always past participle. Past participle, I believe you all know past participle. like gone, eaten, done. These are all past participle. Let's go for the number 3. If there is any do verb, do verb मतलब do, does, did, जो भी do का जितना form है, whatever the forms do has, do, did, does, जितने भी forms हैं. If any verb which comes after do verb, that the next verb has to be mother form. That verb has to be mother form. If that will not be mother form, then the sentence will be wrong. If verb they sit with, considering the partner verb, then the sentence will always be right. If they do not sit considering the verb, then sentence will be wrong. Next, all the modal verbs, whatever the modal verbs you have, will, shall, can, could, may, might, must, would, should, these are all modal verbs. So if you are adding modal verbs, then the next verb will be mother form. This 4 formula, if you know these 4 formulas, you will never speak or write wrong English. This is the formula to make your sentence correct. And I will prove this again. If you know this formula, you will never be wrong. If you want to ask anything, you can unmute yourself and ask. Till now, if you have any doubt.
Sir.
Yeah.
Do verb may only use do and did.
Do, does, did, whatever do के जितने forms है, whatever that forms you have, if you are putting any other verb after do, that other verb has to be mother form.
Okay.
If that is not mother form, the sentence will be wrong. I'm going to give many examples, don't worry. Any question, till now, any question without, Tanushri was asking any question. Tanushri, if you have, then ask me right now.
Sir, who all are be verb?
If you ask about present, then is, am, are. If you ask about past, then was and were. These are the be verb, the present participle, being, past participle, been. I think you did this class yesterday. Verb family, be verb.
Yes.
Yeah, all the forms are be verb. कोई भी form आ जाए, उसके बगल में हमेशा present participle, ing form. Yeah, any question?
Sir,
Yeah.
we will take snap or you will give a link. This chapter.
I'll see. Try to write fast. I'll give the video. I'll give the video recording link of today's class.
Okay.
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 So don't worry.
Thank
Sir,
Okay.
yesterday class did not given link.
you.
Okay. If you
That's why I'm
want
asking.
the recording, those who want the recording, message me, WhatsApp me. I will give you individually, not in the group.
Okay.
You all have my number, right?
Hello, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Sir,
Yeah, Harapriya.
sir. I'm always confusing where I use the bean.
Bean.
When being B-E-I-N-G.
B-I-N-G. Okay. We will learn it. If you will be in the process, you will learn it. Don't worry.
Yes, sir.
Because everything is step by step. I cannot answer your question right now. Because if I want to answer, I have to give you a lot of details and you will not understand. So I'm going step by step. And one day you will get your answer. अब वो आंसर आपको ये 7 दिन में मिलेगा कि आगे मिलेगा वो नहीं पता, लेकिन अगर आप स्टेप बाय स्टेप जाओगे तो मिल जाएगा. But your question is good, but let's see whether you get your answer or not. Okay, guys, let's go ahead. Now we'll see the example. Let's see the example of be verb. Be verb, the partner will be present participle. Don't forget those 4 formulas. Be verb, present participle. Okay. Now see the example very closely. I am going to temple. I know you all know that this sentence is right. But I'm going to show you why it is right. So guys, how many verbs are there here? How many verbs? Can you tell me how many verbs are here?
Yes, sir. Two verbs.
2
Am and
verbs. So the first verb is am. Am is the be verb. And after am, the verb is going, and going is the present participle. So this partnership is a right partnership or a wrong partnership?
right.
Right.
So right.
Right.
So it is a right partnership. So if it is a right partnership, then the sentence is right.
Yes, sir.
See, I know that you knew that this sentence is right, but I'm telling you why it is right. Because so many times, I ask many people that why this is right, why we say I am going. People say, no, it is right. And why it is right? Because we speak like this only. No, the right answer is M is the member of B family and B always wants his partner to be present participle. That is the reason it is right. You should have a justified reason why your sentence is right, why your sentence is wrong. Okay, let's go for the next example. Same example, be verb, present participle. I have been working in Tata Steel.
So correct.
I have been working. Because you said correct, not considering the partnership. You are saying correct because you know this sentence. We are going to prove you why it is correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so that is fine. I know you know, but sometimes you become confused, right? In that case, you have to understand this.
Yes.
So there's a first verb which is have. The next verb which is been, which is past participle. Now you tell me, in the first page we talked about na ki have ka partner kaun hai? Who was the partner of have?
Been.
No. Out of those 4 formula, what was the second formula? First formula was be family, mother, present participle. What was the second formula?
Second form too.
Huh?
Sir, be verb, present participle.
हाँ, उसके बाद
Verb.
next, उसके बाद क्या था?
Past participle. Past participle.
अरे उसके पहले क्या था? Have. If there will be have verb, then it will be past participle. So you see, the first verb is have, and after have, what is sitting? Past participle.
Past participle.
So this is the right fit.
Okay.
Are you getting
Yes, sir,
this?
it is
As per
right.
the second
Yes,
formula,
yes.
as per the second formula, after have, it will be past participle. So it is sitting past participle because been is the past participle. Been is the past participle of be family. So
Yes.
this fit is the right fit. Are you not understanding? I'll tell again and again. Don't worry. I'll again tell you. Please listen again. Let's go back to our previous. This is the formula, guys. After see the second row. Whenever you have any have verb, after have verb, it will be always past participle. This is the partnership. Okay. Now let's go to this sentence. Here also after have, who can sit? Past participle can sit. After have, past participle can sit.
Yes, sir.
And who is sitting? Past participle is sitting. Past participle, been is past participle. Been क्या है? Been तो past participle ही है. Be का past participle been. So
Yes,
this
sir.
fitting is the right fit.
Right.
अभी भी बहुत चेहरों में बहुत confusion लग रहा है आप लोग बहुत ज्यादा सोच रहे हो ऐसा लग रहा है. Okay, Sunita, get it? Okay, again I'm telling guys, whenever you have verb, after have it should be कोई भी verb रहे वो past participle में होना चाहिए. इस सेंटेंस में हैव के बाद जो है वो पास्ट पार्टिसिपल में है। ऐसा नहीं कि हैव के बाद हमेशा बीन ही होगा। आई एम नॉट टेलिंग आफ्टर हैव इट विल बी ऑलवेज बीन, बट आफ्टर हैव इट विल बी ऑलवेज पास्ट पार्टिसिपल। चाहे कोई भी वर्ब रहे, दैट शुड बी पास्ट पार्टिसिपल। So right now it is have, and after have past participle is sitting. So it is a right fit. See, after have past participle is sitting. So this partnership is a right partnership. Now see the next verb. Take the next verb. The next verb is the be verb. The next verb is the be verb, and after be verb, who can sit present participle?
Yes.
Who is sitting here? Who is
Past
sitting?
participle. Working,
Acha.
working.
Participle.
Working is
Working,
present
working.
participle.
Present
Working.
participle.
Past rule apply.
Present participle.
Present participle. देखो फिर से मैं बोल रहा हूँ अच्छे से। पहले यहाँ पे 3 वर्ब है। There are 3 verbs: have, been, working. तो सबसे पहले have को पकड़ो। have को पूछो, hey have, तुम्हारे बगल में कौन बैठ सकता है? जैसे होता है ना, एक हमारे हिंदू में क्या होता है, एक कायस्तो होता है, देन ब्राह्मण होता है, राइट? तो आप कायस्तो को पूछते हो भाई तुम्हारा शादी किसके साथ होता है? तो नॉर्मली कायस्त जो होता है उसका शादी कायस्त के साथ होता है, ब्राह्मण का शादी ब्राह्मण के साथ होता है। ऐसा होता है, लेकिन आजकल ऐसा नहीं होता, आजकल बहुत कुछ होता है। तो अभी वही है कि भाई मैं हैव को पूछ रहा हूं, हैव तेरे बगल में कौन बैठ सकता है? हैव बोलेगा मेरे बगल में पास्ट
Past participle.
पार्टिसिपल। अभी बैठा कौन है? पास्ट पार्टिसिपल। बीन इज पास्ट पार्टिसिपल। तो ये रिलेशनशिप राइट हो गया।
Yes.
अब सेकंड वर्ब को पकड़ो, बी।
Present
बीन,
participle.
तो बीन को पूछेंगे, अरे बीन तेरे बगल में कौन बैठ सकता है? बीन बोलेगा भी मेरे बगल में तो प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल बैठ सकता है। कौन बैठा है? प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल बैठा हुआ है। मतलब ये भी जो रिलेशनशिप है, दिस इज अ राइट रिलेशनशिप, so it is a right fit, so the sentence is 100% right.
Yes.
If verbs are sitting as per their partnership, sentence will always be right. It is the game of partnership. If you know partnership, then you will never make wrong sentence. Okay, I'll give you example. Don't worry, guys. Step by step, we'll understand. Just a minute. Okay, let's go for the other example. So this is the right sentence. Now let's go for the next verb, have. After have, past participle can sit. बार बार मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ये 4 ही है बस। ये 4 फॉर्मूला को कभी मत भूलिएगा। be के बगल में present participle, have के बगल में past participle, do के बगल में mother form, modal verbs will, shall, can, could. Modal verbs के बाद mother form. Okay, let's see. After have, past participle. I have going to temple. Please don't say right, wrong. We will prove that it is right or wrong. So the
Wrong, sir.
first verb is have.
Wrong, sir.
देखा, फिर पार्टनरशिप को निकालेंगे, उसके बाद हम लोग प्रूफ करेंगे दिस इज रॉन्ग। वो एक्सपीरियंस से नहीं, एजुकेशन से। have. So have is the member of have family. Have verb. And after have, it should be always past participle. But here we
there is
get
present
present
participle.
participle. Oh no, this is
Yes.
wrong. This is a wrong fit. The sentence is absolutely wrong. Guys, are you all understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you feel it is very tough?
No,
Yes.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. It's simple.
See, I know.
But we just forgetting it.
In the start, sir, actually, in the first time we are feeling is very tough.
एक
No,
बार
sir,
अगर
it is very
clear हो जाए
simple,
ना, it's very simple, but you,
but we forget because
these are only 4 thing, 4 formula if you remember. देखो, ये सब sentences ना, these are very easy sentences. By seeing you can understand this is right or wrong. But in future you may come across such sentence where you will feel problem. In that case also you can come out. Right? Come out with the right answer. Okay, let's go for the next one. See, you will not say right, wrong. We will prove it is right, wrong. Okay, again, have verb past participle. I have gone to temple. So have is the verb, and it is normal. First verb is have, and after have past participle can sit, and we can see the past participle and the relationship. The partnership is right partnership. So it is a right fit. So the sentence is right.
Yes, sir.
If you follow this, you will always make right sentence.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go for the next. Do verb mother form. Do verb mother form. चलो एक सेंटेंस बनाते हैं. अच्छा एक बात बताओ, किसी को क्लिक हुआ है do verb mother form? Do verb mother form. अच्छा मैंने जो सेंटेंस
Yes,
दिया
sir.
था, I gave you a sentence, the second वाला sentence. Did you felt bad?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
did is the member of do family,
Yeah,
Yes.
the mother
and after
form
do
will.
it should be mother form.
Yeah, as I said, sir.
Yes, you said it absolutely right, but here I'm proving it. Why it is right, why it is wrong.
Yeah.
Tanmay, are you getting the right answer?
Yes, sir.
You know, I have
Yes.
seen many people for a long time, they always say, hey, did you went to market? Did you felt bad? They always, you know, there are many people, they use these kind of sentences. Did you felt bad? Arey yaar, did you feel bad? Did you feel bad?
Sir, we knows one formula always.
Yes.
Two past tense cannot be said in one sentence. But we don't know what is the formula.
See, to past doesn't, हाँ सबको जब किसी को कुछ बोलना नहीं आता तब वही बोलते हैं, दो पास्ट एक साथ नहीं रह सकते. यहाँ पे दो पास्ट है ही नहीं, तो प्लीज लिसन, यहाँ पे दो पास्ट है ही नहीं. अगर मैं बोलूं did you gone to market, that is also wrong. Did you went to market, so did is also past and went is also past.
Past.
And past kabhi do verb aata hi nahi hai. When past come, it is always one verb which comes. Okay, let's go for the next. I did not go to temple. After did, the next verb is go. Go is the mother form. So it is a right fit or wrong fit?
Right, sir.
Correct.
Right,
It is
I
correct.
did not
Correct.
go
Correct.
to-
Absolutely correct.
It is a right fit, so sentence is right. So if your partnership is right, then your sentence will be right. See, I did not tell you. You all people said, sir, English बोलने के समय I feel, you know, मेरा sentence सही होता है कि गलत होता है. If you know this formula, you will never be wrong. Okay, let's go for the next. Modal verbs. Modal verb means will, shall, can, could, may, might, must, would, should. उसके बाद mother बैठेगा. I should go to temple.
Right,
The
sir.
first
This
is
is
modal
correct
verb.
answer.
It is correct.
Should is the modal verb. And after
Yes.
should, it is go. Go is the mother form.
Mother form.
So the partnership is right partnership. So the sentence is
Yes.
right. After today's class, I will give you a small assignment. I will give you some sentences. You need to find out which sentence is right, which sentence is wrong.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hey, it is 8:45. I did not see the timing. Oh my God. I have to rush. Okay. Can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is the sentence. Tell me, this sentence is right or wrong?
I will have been sung a song.
Is the wrong, sir.
Sir, wrong.
Then what will be right?
Singing. Inform is
I
required,
will
sir.
have been sung a
I
song.
will have been singing a song.
I will have been singing a song.
Sir, right.
Singing. We have been the word singing.
Yes, sir, it is
Singing is
right.
correct.
Okay, guys,
We
let's
have been
see.
singing a song.
The first
Sung
verb
is
is
first
will.
form.
Will is the first verb. Modal verb. After modal verb, it should be mother form.
Yes.
Mother form. So this partnership is right. After have. So this is the right. Now after have, it should be past participle. And past participle is sitting. So it is also right. Now after been, it should be always present participle. But now it is past participle.
Yes.
So this is right, but this partnership is wrong. So imagine
So,
even a
this
one
correct is-
partnership, even a one partnership is wrong, the sentence will be wrong fit. एक भी sentence का एक भी partnership गलत होता है, the whole sentence will be wrong.
Explaining.
Yeah, Bharti, should I explain again?
Okay.
Okay, okay. Please listen. The first verb is will. And will के बाद कौन बैठ सकता है? After will, it should be always mother form. So यहाँ पे have का mother बैठा हुआ है. तो this partnership is right partnership. Now see the next verb. The next verb is have. After have, it should be always past participle. And who is sitting? Been. Been is past participle. So this partnership is also right. Now see the been. Next, the third verb, been. Been is the member of B family. And after B, it should be always ing form. But here it is past participle. Sung is the past participle. It should not be sung. Because this is past participle or been ko chahiye present participle. So this partnership is wrong. So that is the reason the sentence is wrong.
Yes, sir.
So the right sentence will be, I will have been singing a song.
Singing a song.
It will be singing. Singing will be the right answer. Okay, next. He will have gone there. He will have gone there.
It is the wrong sentence, sir.
Okay, Ram is saying this is wrong. Okay. What else?
Right, sir.
Acha,
It is
Bharti
It
is
is
saying
correct.
right. Ram is saying wrong.
Sir,
Hey,
it is correct.
Correct.
Correct. Vaishali is saying correct.
It is a correct sentence.
Azam Khan is saying correct.
yes, it is correct, sir.
Okay, most of the people are saying so. Now understand. Correct. And abhi aap log ka jo answer hai, you are speaking so confident, sir. It is correct. It is not correct. So you are getting that confidence right now. Because you know why you are confident? Because you have the reason why. When you have the reason, you always speak with conviction. That is important. नहीं तो वो confidence नहीं रहता. अभी आप पकड़ सकते हो कि भाई this is right, this is wrong. चलो prove करते हैं. Will. Will के बाद mother form. Mother form is sitting. Right fit. Have के बगल में past participle. Gone. Gone is past participle. So guys, both are right fit. So that it is the whole sentence is right fit. So it is a right sentence.
Yes, sir. I corrected, sir. It is correct.
You corrected it that it is correct. Okay, that's good. See, making mistake is right, but we should know, you know, how to correct it. That's what. I guess this is very easy, you know. Gosh, when I was in school, somebody would have told me this formula, small thing. I would have not been so nervous in my whole life. But anyways, there I durust hai. So at least I could manage to understand all this. नहीं तो जीवन भर I would have just, been so nervous while speaking English. Okay. जो लोग English में बात कर सकते हैं, those people who can speak in English, they will say, sir, why you need
Sir, you
formula?
taught this very well.
Thank you very much. Because this changed my life. I learned it very well, so I can teach it very well. Because this is not that I have read it. This is what I have done in my life. There are many people here, those who know English, they will say, sir, iska kya zarurat hai? Wo to sentence dekh ke, after seeing the sentence, I can make it. You can do it because maybe you are very good in English. Maybe you got that environment. Maybe you read it somewhere. But for people who doesn't get this kind of environment, for them, it is not easy to understand that what is right, what is wrong. For them, this kind of formula will help a lot. Okay. I just want to know, you will tell me, she is loved me. She is loved me. It is a right sentence or wrong sentence?
Wrong sentence.
Wrong sentence.
What will
Wrong,
be the
wrong.
right? What will be the right sentence?
Mother form.
Is
Mother form?
mother form. Mother form.
Sorry.
अरे mother कहाँ से आएगा? The first
Present,
verb is be.
present
The first verb is be
Present
family.
participle.
Present participle.
First is is.
Present
So after
participle.
is, it
Yes.
will be present participle. She is loving
She
me.
is loving me. She is loving
Yeah.
me.
Okay, be ready for the next sentence. She has did his work.
Oh, has.
Hello. She
Has.
has done.
Past participle. Did is the
No, sir.
V3.
Did is
Past
past.
participle. Has.
Did is
has.
past. We need
She has
past
done his
participle.
work.
Have verb plus past participle.
Yes. So it will be he has done
He
his
has
work.
done his work.
Yes, absolutely right. He has done his work is the right answer. Okay, we'll go for the next. We'll do it fast, guys. Because if you do this, you don't need any assignment. Rather, you will do it by now only. Butterfly will be flown high.
It is correct.
Butterfly will be flying high.
Flying high. Butterfly will be flying high.
Yes, present participle.
After
It
being flying has to
It is
come.
correct.
It is wrong.
Be flying
Yeah.
high.
Present
Butterfly will
participle.
be
Yes.
flying high.
It is correct,
Will
sir.
after will mother form.
Sir, it is correct.
Be after be present participle flying.
Yes, flying.
Absolutely right. Absolutely. So now, henceforth, you will not go as per your experience. You will go as per your education, as per your knowledge.
Knowledge.
Because experience sometimes may go wrong, but your knowledge will never disappoint you. Okay, let's go for the next one. He will be done his work.
Participle.
Doing his work.
Doing.
He will be
Wrong.
Doing
Yeah.
his work.
Wrong, sir.
He will be.
It is wrong sentence.
He will be
So
doing
will be for mother form. After be present participle. The right sentence will be
Doing.
His
Doing.
work.
doing his work.
He will be
Absolutely
doing
right.
his work.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Okay, let's go for the next. We'll do fast, guys. Did the dog bark?
Sir, it is correct. Sir, it is correct.
Yes,
कौन है
context
गोली
It is
मार
wrong.
देंगे कौन करेक्ट बोल रहा है उसको निकालो
Wrong.
How could you
Wrong.
say
Did is the
after
first form of
knowing
verb.
partner verb how could you say this
Do.
is right?
Mother form will become.
After do it is mother form.
Yes.
Did the dog bark? देखा फिर एक्सपीरियंस से
Did
बोलने
the
गया
dog
गलत हो
bark?
गया एक्सपीरियंस से बोलोगे गलत हो जाओगे नॉलेज से बोलोगे you will never be wrong. Okay, next sentence. She had went to school.
She had gone to school.
Right
This
sentence
is
is
wrong answer. She had gone to school.
absolutely
Past participle.
past participle. Absolutely right. Past participle. She has been tried to do her homework.
This is wrong.
Been trying.
Been
Present
trying.
participle.
She has been trying to do her homework.
She has
Present
been
participle.
trying to
She
do
has
her
been trying to do her homework.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Very good. Okay, next sentence. He will has completed his task.
Sir, wrong.
Has
Wrong,
have.
wrong.
Wrong. Have.
Okay, there will be a.
Sir, he will
He will
complete
have.
It
he will
is.
complete his task.
He will have completed his task.
Right, sir.
He will complete his task.
Will have over.
He will complete or he will have completed. Both
Have
are
they
different
completed?
sentence.
Yes, yes. He will have
He will have
completed his
completed
task.
his task. Very good.
Right, sir.
They will have be writing letters.
They have been.
This
Sir,
is
wrong.
They will have been.
have
Wrong.
been.
They will have
This
been.
is a wrong sentence. They will have been writing
The
letters.
right sentence is they will have been writing
Correct.
letters.
Writing letters.
After will mother form. After have past participle. After be present participle. She does not goes to church nowadays.
She does not go. Not goes.
Sir, wrong.
Go, go.
Sir, wrong.
After do it should be mother form. He does
He did
not
not.
go.
He does
Correct?
not go to church nowadays.
Right. Absolutely right. She
Go
has
to.
took her breakfast.
She has taken.
Has taken her break.
She has taken her breakfast.
She has taken her.
Absolutely right. Very good, guys. Very nice. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
I
sir.
really practically I would like to know, did you like today's class? Was it
Yes, sir.
effective?
Sir, very much. Yes, sir.
Really, it's a brainstorming.
Yes, sir.
You know, has given you a reason. You know, this has given you you will never, if you follow this, you will never go wrong.
This session has brushed my knowledge again.
Yes.
You know, if you know, but now you have the reason, so now you are more powerful. Now you are
This
more
is
powerful.
I found this is a new way of learning because I had whatever I had taught earlier. That was a
Absolutely.
different
This
way,
will be
and
a
now
this
I
will,
found
yeah,
this is
maybe
different.
that was the difficult, and this is just an addition, value
I
addition
found
to
it is
your
a
learner.
it is it is different way. Though
Yeah.
it is in very short way you have taught us
Yes,
the
absolutely. This is an
concept.
easy way, you know. I'm telling you, so many people say, sir, here we learn very easily. We understand very easily. We never feel that we are learning every time. Rather, we are enjoying, we feel a lot of, you know, comfortable zone when we learn here. And that's the best part, I feel. Any question, guys? Any question if you have, you can ask. Any question if you have, you can ask.
So can we? I have some suggestion if you don't mind, sir.
Yeah, please, please.
Can we have a more conversation classes rather than the grammar classes?
See, we already have, you know, see, the thing is that,
Either you, sorry,
see,
I'm
I'm telling you, no, Azam Khan, that is fine. But, you know, this workshop is for every kind of student, right? A student who knows so much, the student who knows nothing. So we have a common process. But after this, after 7 days, we have segregation. If somebody wants to learn business communication, so we have business communication. If somebody wants to go for a normal, regular conversation, so we have a different class, and you will come to know after 7 days. But in 7 days, we have a very structured plan, you know, so that we can cater to all kind of students. That's what.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Understood, sir.
guys. Now,
We want to.
yeah.
Sir, please give me some assignments for practice.
Okay, I'll see that. I'll do that. I'll give it in the group, and you will answer
Okay,
all the
sir.
assignment, privately to
I
me.
will
You will
say
send.
I will send your personal
Yes,
WhatsApp
in my
one.
personal WhatsApp. And guys, right now I'm giving you the link of Neha ma'am's class. You should click on the link. Link has been given.
Okay, sir.
So you click on the link and you can directly go back to Neha ma'am's class. I'm also going there. Okay. Okay, and we'll celebrate Tanmay's birthday there.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Okay,
Thank you so
okay,
much,
bye-bye.
sir,
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
for
bye-bye.
giving me
you,
this
bye.
type of
Thank you, sir.
practice.
Okay, okay. Please click on the link and you can leave.